What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And guys, this is Drakeondigital. Today we are going to do a quick video and it'll probably lead up to a live stream. But guys, you guys are asking a bunch of questions and I'm trying to answer them as quick as I can. And obviously I'm a slowpoke, guys, because I'm white. No, guys, don't take that offensive. I'm just white. I was the slowest player in basketball. But hey, it is what it is. You can't beat it. I'm white, so I can say it, right? All right, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time I make a new one. And guys, leave a comment below saying you subscribe. Once you do all those things, you will get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, this is a fun one. Not a scam. There's little Ethereum address right here. If you send any money to this address, here it is right here. It's also in the link in the description below as well. But guys, when you do all those things, or not when all those things, but if you're sending money to that address, any of the wallets that send to that address, say if there's like 15 of them, 20 of them, I'm just going to use a random number generator, and then it's going to select any number at random, and whatever number it is, it's going to be that wallet in that list. I'm going to select whichever one it is starting from the top. So say it's 8 out of 15. It'll be the 8th wallet down, and I'll send all of the Ethereum to that address. I'm not going to use anything in that address. You guys can verify it on the blockchain. You have the address. You just go to etherscan.io, and you can see all that junk there. And you can see exactly who wins. You can see it all. It's all transparent. I want to do this as like a, not a test, but as an experiment. Just not, I wouldn't consider it an experiment because I know it works, but just so you guys can experience blockchain and get into it. But guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first off, people are asking, there's a lot of frequently asked questions. We're going to start with the first. We're going to go on Aave, and I'm going to get rid of me from the screen right now. Bye-bye. Everyone has been asking me the same question. What the pants is this health factor junk and why is this bad? What is liquidation? What the pants? Do I lose all my money if it's liquidated? Well, there is a phrase that says, or a word that means, it depends. So, if you guys are levering up, like withdrawing here, depositing here, withdrawing here, depositing here, yes, you will get liquidated and lose all your money on this platform if it goes to zero. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. So if all that crypto is on Aave, you're going to get liquidated. Yes, you will lose it all. Mean exactly when someone says liquidated. Okay, so when this health factor hits 1, it's basically game over, bro. But it depends what the different markets or what the different things are. So like if you have a cascading event, if you don't know what cascading means, it just basically means keeps going down, 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 and doesn't stop. There are a couple things you guys need to see and what it's going to be. So if you click on any of these assets, you see what the fee, not the fees are, but the liquidation penalty is. So this liquidation, being that it's 10%, means that you will get liquidated and 10% will be taken away. So you are sitting at 1, it'll liquidate you up to 1.1. So say you have 1,000 Matic, and to get you to 1.1, it has to get your Matic to 900. It'll liquidate 100 Matic as a fee, and it's entirely gone, and it's gone forever. And then you go down. But if Matic keeps going down, there's going to be an additional fee, and then an additional, an additional, and additional. You guys get the point. So if you have like a cascading event where it basically just completely wipes out to zero, you're liquidated. It's game over. Back to square one. Go get some more money. Get a job. Go work at McDonald's. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't work at McDonald's. Don't get a job. Build a business. Hire people. Create more jobs for people. That's what you need to do. And then become a DeFi master. All right, so that's what liquidating means. Now, is this health factor healthy? Well, it's in orange, so it's probably not healthy. The reason why I'm using it is because most of it is in stable coins, and Aave, I'm not really getting a huge loan against it, and I'm watching it very closely, guys. Obviously, it's not close enough, but I'm watching it close. So yes, I can get liquidated, so you guys have to be super careful with that. Now, another question I've been getting is liquidity providing. Another question I've been getting is liquidity providing. So what you guys need to know about liquidity providing is pretty important. So you guys see ADDI, ETH, or you see USDC DAI is okay, but wrapped ETH and USDT, and you see USDC, USDT. See, those LP tokens are 131%. Now that's pretty high for a stable coin. But then you look at something like wrapped ETH and Aave, it's 474%. Wow, what the pants? Why is it so high? Or like this, Titan Wrapmatic is thinking, what is that? 902,000. I don't know. That's 9 million%. Well, that's like a ridiculous percent. And now you're thinking to yourself, why is it so high? Well, this is why it's so high. First off, and that won't last that long. I mean, probably during this video that will go down like a lot. Look, it's already ticking down. As you're staring at it, it's ticking down. So the point is, the reason why it's so much on that LP is because what happens is when one token goes up and the other one goes down, it basically forces you to buy the dip. If you guys don't understand what impermanent loss is, that's what impermanent loss is. So basically at the end of the day, what's going to happen is if you provide liquidity for a token, you're going to be left with a poopy coin, and the great coin you had, you would have sold it off, because at the rate you are providing liquidity at 50-50, when people are buying the good coin, the bad coin is just being dumped or sold for the good coin. So they're taking your good coin and giving you bad coins. That's how adding liquidity is. That's why you're paying fees. And like I said, guys, this percentage is going to go down. Look, it already went down. How much percent? Like, I don't know, 1 million? No, it was 100,000. Literally, while we're talking, guys. So that is not sustainable. That's how you guys can see it. Now, the next question you guys are asking is, why in the world is one protocol able to pay a different percentage than another one is for a different pool? Well, first off, they have different compounding strategies. So one protocol will auto compound at a different rate than another. This one has no auto compounding. This is directly on iron. So what rates you're seeing is just regular rates, just like period, nothing special, no compounding. And then you go on Adamant and you're seeing, wait, it's like 400% more. Why don't I just deposit here? Well, if you break it down and open it up, it says 1,500 is paid in auto compounded Titan, and 1,700 in ADDI rewards, and 3,300 in auto ADDI fee sharing claim daily. So basically, you're only earning 1,500% in this pool for auto compounding Titan. Now, how does that compare to this one? Well, this one is 6,000%. So in theory, you would actually be earning more on this one unless you're bullish on ADDI, because with this one, you're actually earning ADDI tokens and you're earning auto ADDI, which is, well, not auto ADDI, but on the stake invest ADDI, you're earning wrapped, matic, and quick tokens. So it's one of those things, like you can deposit some here and you could deposit some in Titan. I know that probably didn't make sense, so I'm going to explain it again. You guys see this breakdown. This pool is paying 1,581% in auto compounded Titan. The Titan that they get, they're actually selling it for you, so they're forcing you to dump the coin and get the Iron USDC LP tokens. So this automatically forces you to dump, which is a good thing for dumping basically just farm tokens. So it forces you to get more LP tokens. So technically you're getting stable coins. And then it also pays in a percentage of 3,341% in auto ADDI fee sharing. So this is for the fees that you get from the ADDI rewards. So you're getting paid 1,700 in the ADDI tokens, which is this token, and you're also earning Iron token. So like if you see here, this claim plus vest, I'm just going to say, okay, I'm just going to claim invest this now. So it's going to send the transaction. And if I go to the stake vest, I'm earning quick and wrapped matic rewards for my staked Addy in here. So this is just one of those things, like you can just deposit. This is just like a diversification. That way, if one protocol goes down, you're still earning on this one. Or guys, remember, because you're basically in a party of rugs or a party of scams. That's just how DeFi is. It's not if, it's when. So you got to be careful, guys. So that's another thing people were asking. Now, another question people are asking me consistently is, how in the world is the Fish / Matic or any of these farms able to pay 6,000%? It does not make any sense. Well, what happens is there's such thing as a deposit fee. These deposit fees right here are basically paying those percentages. So when you're paying that deposit fee, that goes out to buy the token to give it to the people who are staking the Fish token. So in order for this to keep going, it's a Ponzi, guys. More people have to pile in order for it to go up. It's a little bit different with the Polycat, is because it's one of the first ones, similar to like Pancake Swap, and it has a cap. But again, guys, all in all, these are degen farm tokens. So at the end of the day, in my opinion, Polycat will still go to zero. I'm probably wrong. I usually am. But guys, it's probably just going to go to zero. If you are bullish on it, that's fine. You can be bullish on it. Make sure you get all of your principal back, and then you can save some Polycat or some Fish token if I'm wrong. If I'm right, well, okay, you have some random useless Fish tokens, but at least your principal is intact. So you aren't hurt, but you aren't won. So guys, it's a matter of protecting yourself in this, especially if you guys are going to go down the rabbit hole of DeFi. Me personally, you would be safer with something like a Sushi Swap or a Aave, or no, well, Compound's not on Matic yet, but something like Curve. So if you guys are wanting to participate in it, just make sure you understand what the math is and don't do meth. It's not good. So now we're going to go back over to Aave. So this is another important thing. So at this rate, it looks like I'm paying for Matic. So the only way to defend against this is the borrowed Matic I would have to deposit on the other side, because at that rate, then I'd start earning 10%. So technically, I'm not underwater on it. So that's something you guys have to keep in mind, because if you guys are going to get a loan on it, eventually you're just going to be paying more for it. So you guys have to crunch the numbers. You can't just assume, oh yeah, it's going to be profitable. Oh yeah, it'll be okay. And you guys can, it'll automatically tick up. So a lot of people are asking, how long can I loan it for? Well, you can loan it as long as you want, and as long as you stay above 1. Once you get to 1, you're liquidated. So you got to be careful with things like that. So when you go to pay it, there's a section that says repay. So once that goes to repay, you're able to repay your Wrap Matic tokens or your Matic tokens there. And that's how you can pay off your loan. So you can have the loan for as long as you want. That's entirely up to you. But at the end of the day, it's like, oh, well, basically it's just going to not be good. Because at that point, you'll just be losing money for providing liquidity. Like these farms, I'm probably going to move some of these around. Like, for example, this USDC is barely profitable. This Matic one, I have it deposited over in another pool. So it still makes sense for me to use this, because I've used it on this website and I'm using it on a different protocol to keep it profitable. But after this video, I'm probably going to fix this. Because this is it's not that it's not healthy. It's just that I'm almost paying more for the junk than I'm actually earning. So I would change something like that. Also, guys, there is a website called rugdoctor.io. It's a pretty good website to go to. They check code and see if it's audited and good and whatnot. It's not 100%, but it's a good go-to or start off. But again, guys, I'll probably make a live stream so you guys can ask your questions away. Leave in the comments below if you'd like me to do so. I'll schedule a time for a live stream so that way the most people can jump on as possible and ask all the questions they need, and I will answer them. We'll do a AMA and we will hash it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, if you want to participate in the ETH giveaway, this is the address, and at the end of the month that will be sent away as well. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 24 verses 4. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful. Let's take that into context. By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. That verse kind of relates to the brain. Like, as you get older and get more experience and understanding, your brain gets like more wrinkles in it. I don't know. But anyways, just a thought. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam bam. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.